The police in northern Bahr Ghazal state are investigating the killing of a primary school teacher by an unidentified assailant in Aweil East on Thursday evening. The state police spokesperson, Captain Godgoda Kolsey Deng Aweil, was attacked and killed while on his way from Zion Primary School to a village. A teacher at Zion Primary School in Majakakun, Aweil East County, identified as Deng Aweil, age 24, was mercilessly attacked on his way to the village, said Captain God. The police official told our radio the teacher was burned to death by 4 unidentified assailants at Yar Achud area in Aweil East County. Reaching to a small forest between Bach and Warawar to the area called Yar Achud, he was attacked by 4 unidentified men. He was hit on the neck and fell unconscious and was burned, he said. The motive behind his killing is not clear, but police have opened an investigation to establish the fact behind this atrocity. I could urge the residents of Bach and Warwar to assist the police with information leading to the tracing of the culprits. We therefore call for the public, especially the residents of Bach and Warwar, to assist police with every information that will help in finding the fact about the tragic and organized crime. The murder is the second of its kind in Aweil East County after a year's incident in which 5 women were arrested in connection with the killing of another woman at a water point in Yarwit village.